Look!
It's moving down this way as well.
It took about 2 minutes to fill up. The canal must have gone. They're not doing good, are they?
You get on the internet now, Taz.
What?
Get on the internet now and download it onto the news channel. And it'll be on the news later.
When my mum said Tammy was flooded, I was like, yeah, different, mine's fine. Now look at it.
Bruce, you've got a better camera than I have. You're going to have to do it.
See, Tammy's
So my
got
camera
a
ain't that
snap
good.
on.
It's only 1.3 megapixels.
Straight out, yeah.
And you can see that.
It's going up.
Yeah, but it's still coming. Look at how. Look. What car have you got, Baz?
What?
It's exactly the same as that, isn't it?
Don't big.
That one there.
Oh, that one with the...
Yeah. Look at how deep your car's going to be in. Your car's at the side of the road. You're going to get it all inside your car and everything.
It's alright, mate. It's going to be all inside your house in a minute.
They ain't floaters, is it?
I have no idea.
Probably.
I don't even want to guess.
Have you got any decent silver tape with?
No.